Good day, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Want to take you on a walk around an 18-foot open landscape body. These landscape crew cabs come from $12,000 up to $19,500, depending on your payload need. Let's take a look at this body. Again, the benefit of the Isuzu crew cab is you have 7-man capacity for your super crew. When you match it with an 18-foot length body, you have maximized your ability to service your clients. On the front of this body is a tool rack, and underneath is a gas storage box, 3-level trimmer rack. On the far side, you'll notice that there is a water cooler rack in the fold-down side. The nice thing about the spring-loaded tension ramp is as you come in here to release the spring, it builds safety for your environment. Pull the pin, comes down, slide it down. Because of the spring tension, it's very easy to operate. Again, you have a 4-foot ramp, 5-foot gates on both sides. This is the tool rack. On the opposite side for a different angle, a water cooler rack, our fold-down side. The benefit of getting into that is that you have the opportunity to do your flowers or pallet load to the side. D-rings on the inside placement allow you to tie down your equipment. On the front wall, again, a storage tray and a lockable upper box. 96-inch wide, that makes it plenty of space for your valuable equipment in the evening time. Again, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. I look forward to designing a truck that specifically matches how you need to do your business. Thank you.